Hello, thanks for stopping by my channel. Today I'm going to show you my recipe for maple French toast. I love French toast, I eat it so often, and this is one of my favourite versions. It's a very simple recipe, really easy to do, and it's a great way of using up any stale or leftover bread. So we'll get on first with, I want to crack 2 eggs into a dish large enough to contain my bread. Splash of milk and a more generous helping of maple syrup. It is quite important to use proper maple syrup and not that what I think of as fake maple syrup, which is just a syrup that is maple flavoured, because this is too thick to penetrate and soak into the bread. Give this a quick whisk together. Cut myself a couple of slices now just of bread. I want it really, I want it thick enough that it's good and toothsome, but not so thick that it's going to be burnt on the outside before it ever gets the chance to cook on the inside. I'll just set these for a few moments in the mixture to soak it up, and then flip them over and give them the same on the other side before I cook it. Just gives me enough time to make a cup of tea while I'm waiting. I'm just going to add a little butter to a pan. French toast really requires to be cooked in butter. Just a little tiny bit of oil. So you can probably see that my bread has drank up really all the eggy milk mixture. I'm just going to drop it into the pan. This is on quite a low heat because I want to give the bread the chance to cook in the middle before the outside chars too much. Not that charring is a bad thing. It's had enough time on the first side, so I'll just flip it over. It. It's ready to go. One of these thick slices is probably enough, but being a bit greedy. And there's maple syrup in it, so I think it's only appropriate that some goes on it as well. Best part now, the eating. So good. It's so easy to make. I really hope you enjoyed this recipe. I hope you'll give this video a thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and don't forget to turn on the bell notification so you'll be notified every time I upload a new video. Thanks for watching.